We'll guide you through how to fix Windows 11 or 10 not detecting Bluetooth headphones or earphones. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll guide you through how to fix Windows 11 or 10 not detecting Bluetooth headphones or earphones. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because you're then unable to go and connect and go and get the sound coming through them and go and use them. We're going to guide you through some different fixes, so make sure it's this full guide so you go and know what you can try doing. So to go and get started with this, you want to go and head down to the bottom and press the Windows Start button. At the top, go and press Settings. If you can't see them there, go and search with the search bar at the top. Go to the left and find Bluetooth and devices. First of all, make sure you go and have the Bluetooth switch here. You want to try turning it off. Just turn it off for sort of 5 to 10 seconds. And then what you can try doing is turning it back on. Then what you can do is go and press Add Device, and then you can see you can now go and connect them and go and see if they're appearing. If you're finding they still don't, but you previously gone and connected them up here, what I recommend you do is you go and remove them. Let's go and say these were the Bluetooth headphones here. If you can't see them, you can press View More Devices and go and see them all here. You want to go and scroll down and you can find them. For example, let's say it were my AirPods here. I could then go to the right, press the 3 dots and press Remove Device. If they've been previously connected, sometimes they don't go and reconnect, so just removing them from here, and then you can go and set up the pairing process again, go and see if that solves it. Hopefully it does. If you're still finding that they aren't, the next thing you want to do is come out of Bluetooth and devices. Then you want to go down to the bottom and press Search and open up Device Manager. In here, you want to go and find Bluetooth. Press the arrow to the left to go and expand it. Now you want to go and find your Bluetooth adapter. I've got quite a few different devices here, but you want to find the adapter, as you can see. Yours will be called something different. You want to make sure that first of all it is enabled. So when you right click on it, it should go and say disable, meaning it's enabled. But if when you right click on it, it goes and says enable, click there. Go and see if that then goes and solves it. See if you can connect. If you're still finding it doesn't, try updating it. So right click on it again, press update driver. We can do an automatic search. See if there's an update available. If there is, see if that solves it. If you're still finding it doesn't, what you want to do is go and right click on it, press uninstall device. You can then go and select attempt to remove the driver for this device and press uninstall. Go and wait for it to complete. It will then be removed from the list. And what you want to do is press the Windows button at the bottom, then press the power button and try restarting. It should then go and reinstall the device and go and see if it's working, head back to your Bluetooth settings, and then hopefully you'll be able to go and connect. If you're still finding that you can't, then what you want to do is press search at the bottom of your computer and you want to go and type in services like so. This will open up. Now here you need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for Bluetooth support service. You want to go and double click on it. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic and it's currently running. If it isn't, you can press start, then you can go and press apply and you want to go and press OK. Then what you can try doing is you want to go back to your Bluetooth. And then what we can do is try connecting, and now we can go and press add device. Make sure you put the headphones in pairing mode and hopefully now they'll go and be detected and you can connect to them. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides. Have a great day. Goodbye.